The overall goal of this procedure is to estimate the dissociation constant for a protein-ligand interaction. This is accomplished by first preparing mixtures of the protein with different concentrations of the ligand, together with an indicator dye. The second step is to heat these samples whilst recording the fluorescence of the indicator to monitor the unfolding of the protein. Next, the protein unfolding curves are converted to a series of melting temperatures. The final step is to fit these data to an appropriate model to estimate the dissociation constant. Ultimately, differential scanning fluorimetry is used to better understand the interaction of a protein with its ligands.
The main advantage of this technique over existing methods, like isothermal titration calorimetry and surface plasmon resonance, is that this method can be completed within a few hours using only moderate quantities of sample in an instrument that is already available in most institutes.
This method can help answer key questions in the protein chemistry field, such as the affinity of ligands for proteins and the relative strength of interactions.
Generally, individuals new to this method will struggle because the choice of samples to use and analysis of the data can both be difficult.
Prior to starting this procedure, prepare the following solutions: a mixture containing the reagents detailed in this table, and stocks of the ligand of interest at the highest available concentration, as well as 6 tenfold dilutions of this concentration. If an approximate dissociation constant is known from prior data, prepare at least 2 concentrations above and below.